I was fixing my Memoji and then my daddy notebook came in. Hey, that's nice. That's nice. That's nice of them. Hey.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Nothing. Me? Just hanging around.
Murder. Sex. Drugs.
What?
Extreme visuals of violence that would make Jeffrey Dahmer sick to his stomach.
Oh my.
It's not.
You will see boobs.
Oh, we're not buying this game.
You will see wiener.
First of all, your Jordans are completely fake. Second, you razor chin, you have absolutely no maidens. And finally, you, my friend, haven't even thought about buying Spotify Premium.
Want a break from